As we navigate the bustling roads of today, it's hard to miss the sea of traditional cars powered by the good old internal combustion engines. They've been the backbone of our daily commute, mainly because they tend to cost less than those shiny new electric vehicles that are slowly rolling onto the scene. Hi, I am Eli the engineer. Governments all around the globe are getting serious about kicking harmful CO2 emissions to the curb to save our planet. One of their strategies, promoting electric vehicles, those sleek, emission-free machines that are popping up more and more. Now, picture this, a trio of automotive heavyweights, China, Europe, and America, leading the electric vehicle revolution. It's like a global game of who can go greener, and it's making traditional cars look a bit old-fashioned. However, there's a little snag in this electric escapade, the cost. Electric vehicles can be a bit pricier than your average diesel or gas guzzler, but here's where things get interesting. Enter China, big and bold. The land of the Great Wall and countless dumplings is also a gold mine for the raw materials needed to craft these futuristic electric wonders. Unlike some countries that have to lean on others for their EV raw materials, China's got the resources in its own backyard, helping them dodge these dreaded high costs. Eli's factoid, the first electric car known as the Flocken Elektrowagen, was built in 1888 by the German inventor and engineer Gustav Trouvé. This early electric vehicle featured a non-rechargeable battery and resembled a tricycle, with its electric motor positioned between the front wheels. The Flocken Elektrowagen marked a significant milestone in automotive history as one of the earliest attempts at creating a practical electric-powered vehicle. And now, prepare for a jaw-dropper. Chinese brand Geely has just pulled off a bold move. They've unleashed an electric car that's priced at a jaw-dropping $6,000. Yes, you heard that right. Is Geely, and is this car the real deal? Let's take a dive into how China's shaking up the EV industry with this game-changer. So, let's take a closer look at the star of the show, Geely's Panda Mini EV. When it comes to style, it's all about compact charm and a touch of quirkiness. Imagine round headlights that are practically like a pair of cute, oversized eyes, and side mirrors that look like little ears. And that rear window? It's like something out of a sci-fi flick. Now let's tell. Strategy. Geely's CEO has set a goal that will give you goosebumps. They're aiming to sell a staggering 600,000 electric vehicles in a single year. They're targeting the micro-EV market, where the competition is fierce and every move counts. Eli's factoid. Electric cars often feature regenerative braking systems that capture and convert kinetic energy back into stored energy in the battery. When you lift off the accelerator or apply the brakes, the electric motor operates as a generator, helping to recharge the battery and improve overall energy efficiency. Hold on to your steering wheels because the United Kingdom has a daring plan up its sleeve. They're gearing up to wave a final farewell to new petrol and diesel cars by 2035, all in the name of slashing greenhouse gas emissions down to a resounding zero by 2050. With nearly 39 million vehicles ruling the British roads, the race is on to swap out those emission-spewing rides for something a bit greener. Imagine if every single car in the UK turned electric. We're talking about a jaw-dropping 12% decrease in carbon emissions. China's got a thriving automotive industry, and they're playing their cards right. Access to abundant raw materials and a knack for efficient production mean that they're rolling out electric cars like they're going out of style. And here's the cherry on top. These affordable beauties don't just come with tempting price tags, but they're packed with top-notch features that'll make your heart race. China is taking Europe's electric vehicle market by storm, grabbing a 5.8% share with plans to dominate even more in the coming years. Europe's got its eyes on these affordable electric marvels, and with good reason. Goliath Chinese car brands are putting the pedal to the metal, making it hard for Europe to resist their alluring charm. Here's the scoop. Europe's been seeing a bit of a price bump in their electric car market since 2015, while China's been steadily dropping theirs, making their electric rides even cheaper than their gas-guzzling counterparts. Across the pond in the good old US of A, there's a bit of a snag. High duties slapped on Chinese cars have kept them from making a big splash in the American market. After all, When Americans think cars, they often think tried and true brands like Toyota, Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. And let's face it, switching allegiances to a Chinese car brand can be quite the leap. But hang on, because the plot thickens. Chinese EVs are proving their mettle with 5-star safety ratings from the discerning eyes of European regulators, shattering any doubts about their quality. And here's a little hint for you: the tides might just be turning. If these Chinese electric sensations keep up their streak of excellence, we might just see a new heavyweight contender in the global car arena. What are your thoughts on the EV revolution? Drop your comments below. This is Eli signing off for now.